Never close your doors towards learning and say, I'm pretty smart, I know probably every damn thing. No, you don't. There are a lot of things in the world that you still have to learn, so keep learning. Hello, welcome back to another episode of School of Thought. So today I want to talk about a few learnings that I have which I find very key in my life. Probably they'll help you in some way or the other. There are a few things, or you call it a principle, you call it a few things that has helped me in my life. According to me, a negative day is the most positive day that you have. There's a famous saying that you learn from a mistake. That's an absolute gold of a saving. बिकॉज जो चीज़, जो सेल्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट एक मिस्टेक आपके लाइफ में कॉज कर सकती है, जो सेल्फ लर्निंग एक मिस्टेक आपके लाइफ में ला सकती है, वो बहुत सारी पॉजिटिव थिंग्स या राइट थिंग्स नहीं लाएंगी. सो ऑलवेज डू मिस्टेक्स दैट विल मेक यू अ बेटर पर्सन. सेकेंड इज लर्न फ्रॉम योर मिस्टेक्स. यू शुड नॉट रिपीट योर मिस्टेक्स. एक बारी जब आपने एक मिस्टेक कर दी, उससे आपने सीखा और आपने वो मिस्टेक दोबारा नहीं करी. राइट? सो डू मिस्टेक्स, दैट मेक्स यू अ बेटर पर्सन. लर्न फ्रॉम योर मिस्टेक्स एंड डोंट रिपीट योर मिस्टेक्स. थर्ड, always stay grounded. No matter how successful you are, no matter at what positions you're working in your organizations, I feel that you should always stay closer to the ground. If you look at a skyscraper, it looks beautiful from the ground. But when you go on top of that skyscraper, you're not able to see the skyscraper, but you're able to see the view. So, the best view or the best motivation is from the ground, looking at that skyscraper. That gives you motivation, that gives you courage, that gives you confidence to go on top of that skyscraper. So always stay grounded. Fourth, always never say no to learning. Every day is a learning. Even after a decade of experience in financial world, in finance, in wealth management, every day is a learning for me. Something or the other, I learn something new in any particular day. If it is on the parts of the markets, if it's on client behaviors, if it's on self-motivation, if it's on some self-principles, every day I'm open to learn. Never close your doors towards learning and say, I'm pretty smart, I know probably every damn thing. No, you don't. There are a lot of things in the world that you still have to learn. So keep learning. Quick review. Mistakes are good. You learn from them. Be a better man. Never repeat your mistakes. Your mistakes should not be repeated. Always stay grounded and learn every day. I hope I was able to add some value with this video. Again, a personalized video for all of you watching. Do let me know if you want me to create any video on any topic which you would like me to simplify for you, which you would like me to speak about. It motivates me when you guys give me a feedback, when you comment, when you send messages. So keep doing that. Subscribe to our channel. It's YouTube/Ingenetus. Please do subscribe to our channel. And also our social media platforms. We are trying to bring the best content we can. Cheers and see you soon.